Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Mattress Advisor. Today we're going to see how the Cocoon Mattress by Sealy holds up to the Mattress Advisor test. Before we jump in, here's the 411 on the Cocoon. Cocoon is a memory foam mattress that's available in soft or firm. You also have the option to add on a chill cover for added cooling, if you tend to be a hot sleeper. A queen size mattress will cost you about $800 and an additional $150 if you choose the chill cover. The Cocoon comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial period. We ordered the Cocoon Classic and Firm, so keep that in mind as we walk through our testing. The Cocoon comes compressed and rolled up in a box. A queen mattress weighs 64 pounds, about the weight of a Dalmatian. There's lots of plastic to unwrap from the mattress, but once you've gotten through to the middle, the rest is cake. It took us just over 2 minutes to set up the Cocoon. We didn't notice any strong chemical smells when opening the mattress, and any odor dissipated within a few hours. So for ease of setup, we give it an 8. Motion transfer is important in a mattress, and in your relationship, you want this motion to be pretty isolated. No one likes being woken up at 3 a.m. because your sleeping partner is doing jumping jacks in the middle of the night. So let's take a look at how the Cocoon measures up in our motion transfer test. First, we conducted our whine test. You might have seen this one before, but it is a great visual indicator of how much motion is being transferred from one side of the bed to another. It's also a good indicator of how well your mattress will support your wine glass in bed, if you're worried about that. We had RJ lie down and roll back and forth a few times on the other side to see how much of the glass and the wine inside of it moved. No sweat, and most importantly, the wine is safe. Next, we took a more human approach to measuring motion transfer. We just replaced the wine glass with an actual person to see how much movement they felt. We had both RJ and Asha rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being no movement at all. Both gave it a solid 9. So for the combined motion transfer test, the Cocoon gets a 9 out of 10. Having good edge support in a mattress is kind of like having heated seats in your car. You might not even know you care about it until you don't have it. So if you tend to find yourself sleeping on the edge of your mattress, or if you use the end of the bed to put your shoes on, then you will want to pay attention during this next test. First, we asked RJ and Asha to sit on the end of the bed to tie their shoes. They did a great job, I must say. We had them rate the level of support on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being extremely easy with exceptional edge support. They both gave it a solid 9. They could tie shoes on that edge all day long. Next, we asked them to lie on the edge of the bed in multiple positions, side, stomach, and back, to see if they felt like they could sleep on that section of the bed comfortably. Again, they gave it a 9, just shy of perfect edge support. Things are starting to get real here. For our pressure relief test, we are bringing out the big guns. The way we measure pressure relief is by using a pressure mapping film that shows how much pressure is placed on different parts of the body. Here's a hint. The blue spots are good and the red spots are bad. The closer you get to warmer, redder colors in the pressure diagram, the more pressure is being put on your body. When RJ and Asha were on the Cocoon, we noticed small red spots in the shoulders and upper back. But the fields of blue and overall low average pressure rating earn it an 8.5 out of 10 for pressure relief. Did you know that keeping a good posture while you're sleeping is just as important as keeping it during your waking hours? For every mattress we test, we take a look at how well it keeps your spine in a straight line. We had RJ and Asha lie down on their sides, and once they were settled in, we took a close-up of their backs to see the alignment. Ideally, we want to see a straight line from the spine all the way up through the neck. This was just a smidge shy of a perfect line for both of them, so we give it a 9 out of 10 for spine alignment. Let's take a look at how well the Cocoon adjusts or responds to different sleeping positions and movement while you sleep. Instead of placing a concrete slab on top of the mattress to see what happens, we'd rather show how you, a real human, might feel on it. So we had RJ and Asha lie on the Cocoon in each sleeping position, back, stomach, and side. And as they changed positions and got settled in, we asked them how the mattress adjusted or responded to their movement. They rated the experience on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being it adjusted perfectly and instantly to the new position. They both gave it a 9 out of 10. They are cuckoo for Cocoon. Okay guys, are you ready for this or what? It's time to reveal the Mattress Advisor score for the Cocoon mattress. Our score is a weighted average out of 10 that incorporates functional and performance characteristics of the mattress, as well as a social responsibility score, which is a measure of social mission, community involvement, and charitable partnerships. Cue the drum roll, please. The Mattress Advisor score for the Cocoon mattress is an 8.7. If you want to take a deeper look at any of these scores, just hop on over to the Cocoon review at mattressadvisor.com. As for me, I'm going to curl up on the cocoon and hope I turn into a butterfly.